Hello, hello.
This is one.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Can you please confirm that if my voice is audible? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? इतनी सही शायद नहीं होगी, मे बी डिस्टर्बेंस हो सकता है, बट एम आई ऑडिबल? ओके, कूल. सो लेट्स सी वेयर एग्जैक्टली वी आर. नहीं नहीं, गला नहीं खराब भाई, गला सही है मेरा. शुभ शुभ बोलो, शुभ शुभ बोलो. Alright, so let's see where exactly we are in euro and what next we can expect. The recent high which we were expecting to be taken out got taken out. We do have these available liquidity next that is supposed to go this and this, but उससे पहले थोड़ा resistance तो आएगा, right? So the immediate area that I am expecting to be taken out is basically this range. ये inefficiency है. I am expecting this inefficiency to be filled first. Okay, so till then we can basically continue to look for higher prices and expecting higher highs higher lows. अभी फ़िलहाल यहाँ से I would not really like to jump in longs, but I would like to see how prices reacts, and depending on that, अगर मुझे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा convincing सा दिखता है तो we can think of entering in longs from this area itself, because it has swept this liquidity. I would like further liquidation of these lows that prices have printed here, so it would be great if prices can just sweep this again. ये liquidity hunt करके if price reach within this demand area and if it gives some conviction in terms of order flow, we'll be looking and entering in longs too. So this is the plan. Let's see how prices move, and coaching. Let's see. We have this area as well, which is extremely valid, from where yesterday price have bounced off from. So this inefficiency can also be filled, but as this is a 15-minute structure, let's just see if it can hold. If it gives confirmation, if it shows conviction, we are jumping in longs. We do have this, I'm not sure if this is the Asian range low or, yeah, yeah, it's a Asian range low. After the liquidation of this, if prices give us a confirmation, जैसे कि अगर स्वीप करके यहाँ से हाई राइज हाई लोज बनाना स्टार्ट करे, so we can think of entering in longs and eventually expect the recent high to be taken out. That would be the plan, but the thing is we want some good reaction from this area. Let's place alert at this area. Before the sweep, I'm not really willing to enter. Yes. Next is gold. What I'm expecting is here we have built up a lot of liquidity. I would really like to see prices testing this or something within this. उसके बाद में ही longs does make a lot of sense. Some more root push to the downside is quite possible. तो अगर थोड़ा नीचे आता है तो definitely longs का देख सकते हैं और सोच सकते हैं. या भाई exactly. आता मी बाहेर आहे म्हणून I have not really updated this on तो दूसरा group because I'm not really trading from a proper setup. So this is just laptop. So that's the reason I thought like let's just trade with the people only, and from Monday I'll be updating the link there that I'm live. गोल्ड में मेरे को लग रहा है कि वी कैन सी अ डिप डाउन लोअर बट मतलब ओवरऑल बायस बाइंग का है सो विल जस्ट वेट. What's happening with NQ? This looks like a mess right now. I would have, as I said, would love to see prices pushing down lower to the demand area. From there, we'll be looking for longs. Maybe my voice can be low, it's because of the device. पता नहीं क्या है सीन है, but yeah, it's device. क्या है सीन है, but yeah, क्या है सीन है, but guess I need to wipe. In gold fair value gap, in gold, why is the fair value gap above demand area not a valid zone? वैलिड तो है यार, मतलब कौन सा वाला कह रहे हो, अगर आप लेवल बता दो. बाय डू यू सी प्राइसेस कम टू डेली रेंज हाई ऑन यूरो? If we just extend this daily range high, go to 15 minutes.
Attention.
It's quite possible.
Attention.
It's quite possible. But let's just see. As I said, like अगर यहाँ से कोई conviction नहीं मिलता तो definitely enter नहीं करेंगे. But overall the bias still remains the same. And Nishant, I was in your boot camp actually. And now that after 2 years you put some yeah, exactly. I need to cut. Wait. I guess अभी क्लियर होगा वीडियो. I guess अभी क्लियर होगा वीडियो. I guess अभी क्लियर होगा वीडियो. Alright, सो अभी यहाँ पे ये रेंज में तो आ चुका है, वी विल जस्ट वेट फॉर इट टू गिव अस कंफर्मेशन. गोल्ड में एफ के वाला शॉट बड़ा प्यारा था, जो यहाँ से ये ड्रॉप दिया है. इजी 40-50 पिप्स. बट दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ टेकिंग काउंटर ट्रेंड ट्रेड. Most probably within this area we can expect prices, but order flow shift की ज़रूरत है before us entering in longs. Yeah, bouncing off from a demand, not really a very crazy reaction, but yeah. The FVG from 3669, 3669 to 3664. This fair value gap is definitely valid. Definitely valid. मतलब वही है, but I am expecting some lower prices to the demand. So if we see as per the equilibrium, this aligns perfectly with the 50% range. So this range high and the 50% is perfectly aligning. So I'll be betting for some more lower prices, and if prices continue to show like bullish formation, I'll just leave it. I'll just see. I'll wait. यूरो में लॉन्ग्स तो अभी नहीं बन रहा है immediately. I need some more order flow build up for me to jump in longs. Let's just see. शायद मैं रिस्क एंट्री लेता तो मैं शायद एंट्री कर देता, बिकॉज this looks like a valid one. It's reacting from good demand area. Let's just wait for some more order flow confirmation. यहाँ से रेंज से अगर सेलिंग आता है तो लॉन्ग्स नहीं लेंगे, लेकिन if prices show up within this range, reacts from this range and takes out the reacted high, then we will continue to look for long. Something like this would be the plan that I am looking for. Let's see. Let's see. Let's wait. this is the messy price action. We are not getting involved into this, but I would really like to see अगर ये वाला inefficiency fill कर दे तो यहाँ से short बन सकता है, because अगर यहाँ पे liquidity sweep करनी हो तो, या तो buying hold करे तो buying की तरफ जा सकता है. हो कुछ भी सकता है भाई, हो कुछ भी सकता है. ये बट वेट करेंगे how prices move. Depending on that we will just plan the trade. uh, Hang around, wait for some right opportunity. Meanwhile, I'll order something for myself to eat. Any suggestions? अगर कोई पुणे में रहता है तो प्लीज. डिब्बे दी रसोई, वो दाल चावल. One piece of advice for trader, I guess. ब्रो ऐसी एक एडवाइस तो काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगा, बट आई थिंक being mindful is what I would suggest. Being mindful in terms of anything. Like, if you are executing any position, if you are executing any position, just be mindful. Like, if you are looking at charts, but just be mindful and understand where you are and what next you are expecting. So, in terms of technicals, like overall, I would suggest first understand or have a really great understanding of technicals, and then the psychology parts come in. So it totally depends on at what level or at what stage you are in the markets. The suggestion would actually change. If you are complete beginner and if you don't know what you're doing in the markets, the first thing is to pick up the charts, do a lot of back testing, understand how prices are reacting from any specific given area, understand how you build your bias for the day, understand how you like what all trades you can, what all assets you can prioritize and what suits your nature. Understand what sort of trader you are. You are aggressive trader, you are more of a conservative trader. What is your trading setup? Is it swing? You find swing trading more comfortable, you find intraday trading more comfortable. You need to see that as well. So if you are a beginner, definitely focus on these things, on prioritizing and having a technical edge. If not a technical edge, but at least an understanding of, if you are coming in the market, what is supposed to be done and what sort of directions you are betting on. Or like, as soon as you come in the markets, and if markets are not giving you any sign, just like today we are not really sure, right? Because prices have taken out all our targets, and right now it's almost trading at almost no man's land. So from the current immediate demand area, from whatever prices are reacting, we have a plan. If we get a conviction from here, then only will we enter longs, or will we just sit cash, will not do anything foolish, right? That's the most important thing if you are like absolute beginner and who is starting out with day trading. But the next piece of advice would be, again, being mindful and don't be reckless. Being mindful about your position sizing, how much risk you are taking. like वही ये बेसिक चीज़ है यार. वैसे तो मेरे हिसाब से जब टेक्निकल सही हो जाएंगे ना, तो बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रगल होगा खुद को संभालना. फोमो भाई, तुम फोमो नहीं है एक चीज़, लाइक तुम बहुत सारे चीज़ें फेस करोगे. इट कैन बी रैंडमली एग्जीक्यूटिंग एनी पोजिशंस, इट कैन बी ओवर साइजिंग, इट कैन बी टेकिंग रैंडम शिटी ट्रेड्स. For that you have to be so disciplined that you have to frame and craft rules around your plan. Like, as you have a technical edge, you know that how many times in a day you can see that edge. I think like maximum 2 trades or 3 trades a day, enough decision making, right? So let's assume that you have like just 100 rupees in your bank account and you have to survive with that money for the next 2 days. How you will plan your day? How you will plan your spending? हाउ यू विल प्लान? तुम बिरयानी खाने का तो नहीं सोचोगे ना, 100 रुपये ही है, अगला एक दिन सर्वाइव करना है. तो उस हिसाब से तुम क्या क्या प्लान करोगे? तुम ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाओगे? मे बी इडली खा लोगे, 10-12 रुपये वहाँ चले गए. लंच में क्या खाओगे? मे बी अगर रोटी सब्ज़ी वाला कोई लाइक पोई भाजी केंद्र महाराष्ट्र में होता है, आई डोंट नो आपके यहाँ पे क्या होता है. अगर साउथ से हो तो ऐसे स्ट्रीट्स पे होते हैं जहाँ पे रोटी सब्ज़ी मिलती है. मे बी यू विल जस्ट गो फॉर दैट. देन इवनिंग में तुम डिनर के लिए ऑलमोस्ट द सेम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग ही तुम लाइक खाना चाहोगे. बिरयानी तो नहीं खाओगे, राइट? तो इट्स लाइक यू टेकिंग दो स्मॉल स्मॉल, यू आर नॉट इवन डाइंग, लाइक यू आर सर्वाइविंग, बिकॉज योर मेन गोल इज सर्वाइवल, राइट? तुम अभी एकदम फैंसी खाना नहीं खाओगे, तुम खाओगे छोटी 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 चीज़ें, सस्ती 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 चीज़ें. तो तुम्हारा मेन गोल, जब तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है और तुम्हें 1-2 दिन सर्वाइव करना है बहुत लिमिटेड अमाउंट पे, तो तुम्हारा मेन गोल है सर्वाइवल. तो सेम गोल तुम्हारा मार्केट में भी है. मार्केट में तुम्हारा मेन गोल है सर्वाइवल. तो जब तुम्हें पता है कि भाई ये ट्रेड नहीं आएगा तो अगला ट्रेड ले लूँगा, लेकिन मेन क्या है? सर्वाइवल. जिंदा रहना इंपॉर्टेंट है. So for you to survive with the markets, what is supposed to be done is not to take reckless trades, not really go overboard, not really take any random positions. Whatever trades you are executing, you have to manage your position sizing. तो वही है मोटा मोटा, like risk management is the most important thing, but along with that your emotional management is also उससे भी ऊपर की चीज़. Because if you feel nervous, if you feel not really confident, if you feel overconfident, if you then you will take all the rubbish decisions, like going overboard, taking random shitty trades, over leveraging, taking the position that is beyond your risk appetite, just out of expectation कि अब तो यहाँ से जाएगा. But you know, when the prices retrace slightly, hold that position. You won't be able to withstand that loss that you are seeing, and you will feel like maybe I should book. So it's always important for you to execute only the position that you're comfortable in losing, like in that specific position, and only losing the amount that you're willing to lose. नॉट रियली लाइक अगर $5 रिस्क लेना है और तुम $10-15 रिस्क ले रहे हो, सोच कि भाई ये ट्रेड तो धांसो, ये तो हिट होगा ही, यू आर रूइनिंग. और वो जो रैंडम रिवॉर्ड की आदत लगी है ना, गलती से लेट्स से $15 के साथ तुमने ट्रेड लिया रिस्क के साथ, लेकिन तुम्हारा रिस्क एपेटाइट है $5 का ही, और लेट्स से तुम्हें $40-50 का प्रॉफिट हो गया वो ट्रेड से, तो योर सबकॉन्शियस इज नोटिसिंग दैट. एंड उसके ऊपर से यू विल एक्ट ऑन योर नेक्स्ट ट्रेड कि अरे उस ट्रेड में बनाया था, इस ट्रेड में भी बना लूँगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, कि कंट्रोल योर psychology, manage your psychology in a way. And you know, we are humans, like, see, I have talked to like 8-figure traders, 9-figure traders who are trading in the markets from last 12, 15, 17 years. Okay? How I have asked them, do you still fuck up? Can you guess what their answer was? What do you think? No, they still fuck up. They still fuck up. So we are humans. We are designed in a way where market, like our mind and brain, will fight against us always. But you will still go out of the way. You will still do some rubbish mistakes. But it's just that the frequency of that occurring is very low. Even at my level, the frequency of me fucking up, it's low. I still fuck up sometimes, right? But the frequency of that happening is very low, and most of the like flashy Instagram gurus are not even telling that. Ki, yeah, it's common. We are humans. We are not robots or machines. We can do some fuck up things, but the frequency of that happening should be extremely low, and you should try to keep things mechanical and try to eliminate the emotion wala quotient from your trading game, which is quite impossible, but at least you can try. How you can try is by following strict risk management rules, is by following strict daily drawdown rules. So if you are breaching that level, just get out of the markets. Even if God comes and tells you the next trade is the trade which I am giving you blessing कि ये जाएगा, but फिर भी भाई तुम्हारा दिन का खत्म हो गया. What if the trade ends up being again a losing one? You never know, right? Every trade has a possibility and a potential probability of it going towards south and not going in your direction. It's very much possible. So if you carry that possibility with you, you are good. एक्सेप्टेंस होना चाहिए कि भाई कुछ भी श्योर शॉट नहीं है. ठीक है. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ट्रेड्स भी फेल हो जाते हैं कभी कभी, राइट? और बहुत ही चिंदी चिंदी ट्रेड्स वर्च कर जाते हैं. सो it's just that you have to keep your risk management as constant, and you should not gamble कि भाई ये trade है तो and also watch the video that I updated on the WhatsApp group. It will really open up something. I was driving, I was listening to it. I find it nice. मैंने उतना attention नहीं दिया था, but जो भी मैंने सुना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So बिल्कुल, just give it a shot. और भाई सही में बड़े ट्रेडर्स भी फक अप करते हैं. तो it's very common. We are humans. So your main goal is not to just be a robot, but just whenever you come in front of charts, execute what you have planned and don't do anything foolish and rubbish. That should be your main goal. That मैं आ रहा हूँ market में, I should just plan things before I execute or before I act on something. Just don't come and randomly started executing some random position that you are not really aware of कि ये क्या हो रहा है. और ये होता है भाई. I've been there. I can tell you that when you reach at a level जहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा शॉक लग जाता है PNL देख के कि मैंने इतने ट्रेड्स ले लिए और इतना लॉस हो गया, तब जाके तुम थोड़ा हटते हो पीछे. बट एक जोन में चले जाते हो वो ड्यूरेशन में जब तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता कि हो क्या रहा है. यू जस्ट रैंडमली कीप ऑन एग्जीक्यूटिंग. अगर तुम्हें वैसा पता चल रहा है कि तुम इस जोन में जा रहे हो, जस्ट स्टे अवे. Just close your device. It's fine to close that day in negative. If you fight against the market ki no, I have to close this day in positive only, your account will go. I'm telling you, I've been there, I have seen that. So that's the reason, with experience, I'm telling you that don't fight against markets. If you are seeing that your daily drawdown limit hit, if you are seeing that get characteristics of you getting reckless, and most probably you can just end up losing your account, or यू आर रैंडमली स्टार्टेड एग्जीक्यूटिंग पोजिशन. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है बाइंग, यहाँ पे बाई कर लिया, यहाँ पे एक रेड कैंडल बन गई, वापस सेल कर दिया, वहाँ पे बाई कर लिया. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दैट, माई फ्रेंड, you can blow that account on that specific day within the next two trades. Because if you are going to extend jahan pe you are executing random positions, you will not be afraid of taking random position sizing as well, just to recover that loss, right? So yeah, that would be my suggestion. Just stick to $600, sorry, $300, bro, and grow it consistently. You don't need to add money. You don't need to add money. Exactly. And why do you think like ट्रेडिंग मेरे को लग रहा है कि लाइक इट्स अ स्पोर्ट मैन, इट्स अ हाई डिसिप्लिन्ड जिसमें चीज़ें रहनी है तुम्हें, लाइक इट्स एक्चुअली अ स्पोर्ट, मेंटल स्पोर्ट वी कैन से. Not doing anything is actually also like preserving your capital and surviving for another day. So just try to make yourself understand that if I'm not trading, that doesn't mean I'm loser. It's fine. I miss out opportunities, still that is fine, right? And tell me, wasn't this short anticipatable and executable? Definitely. Now I'm seeing still some more room to the downside, but maybe I'll just simply avoid trading because I'm not really confident of this. Here also, I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. So just sit silently, man. Kuch mat karo, hand show. Got my funded account today morning. From today, I'll be trading on. Hey, congratulations, bhai. Why? What's your approach and prof from account blowing? Account if 10 lost trade in a row or 20. Oh, you're asking about the percent risk, huh? So here, depending on how aggressive I wanna go or how conservative I wanna go, but I would suggest like stick to 0.5% risk to get started with. Build your capital to 2 or 3%. Once you build 2-3%, start risking 1% and pass the account. That is my approach.
Attention. Attention.
It started pushing down lower. This was capitalizable, okay? The shots from somewhat within this area, या तो यहाँ से. This was actually capitalizable. I missed it. My bad. ठीक है, it's fine. ये आजकल कुछ नया निकला है, बहुत लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ओके, आई नीड टू चेक. हाँ, ये कुछ नया नहीं है यार, ये बहुत पहले से ही है. यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक ऑफ इट. इट्स वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. एक एडिशनल लेयर ऑफ कन्फर्मेशन का काम कर सकता है, बट यू कांट रियली बेस योर ट्रेड्स ऑन दैट. भाई तुम्हें लगता है इसके अलावा तुम्हें और कुछ चाहिए? भाई, तुम पहली बात लोगों को देखना छोड़ दो यार. When are you going back hometown? You mean Thane? थाने तो मैं जाऊंगा सैटरडे, सैटरडे मॉर्निंग. जो भाई ये गिरते जा रहा है यार. सैड, सैड कि अपन को एंट्री नहीं लेने दिया. बट ठीक है, इतना भी कोई धांसू सा ट्रेड नहीं था यार. अगर आएगा तो सोचेंगे लेट्स प्लेस अलर्ट एंड लेट्स वॉक अवे. आज न्यूज़ है राइट? 6 बजे, 6 बजे. आई एम नॉट श्योर कितने बजे है, बट न्यूज़ है. फॉरेक्स फैक्ट्री, फॉरेक्स फैक्ट्री. To order something to eat. हाँ, इट्स नॉट रियली समथिंग मेजर. यहाँ 11:30 बजे का न्यूज़ है. इट्स FOMC मीट, मतलब ये FOMC स्टेट. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग मेजर. मेजर में सिर्फ FOMC लिखा होता है. 12 बजे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है सुबह. भाई मज़े आएंगे आज. हाँ, 11:30. अच्छा, 1 मिनट. नहीं यार, मतलब मोमेंट, सी मोमेंट आएगा. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा मोमेंट नहीं आएगा, बट जैसा CPI NFP में होता है ना, कुछ बहुत ही कुछ क्रेजी सा हो जाता है. उतना क्रेजी सा कुछ नहीं होगा इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक. बट हो भी जाए तो विल सी, विल प्लान दैट बिफोर. अभी ये इनएफिशिएंसी फिल करने जा रहा है. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस मूव्स.
Attention. 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 Attention.
It's gonna take out this. Let's see how prices react from the area I marked. I believe I marked, yeah. Let's see how it reacts to this area, this range, which looks good in 3 and 5 minutes. ये हाई तो निकलना ही है. Okay, I hope I am on not on mute now. So I was saying, uh, I'm pretty sure we should have interacted kabhi to, but I don't really remember. But yeah, मैं बढ़िया हूँ भाई, आप कैसे हो? We are getting some good reaction from Euro USD. Let's see how it holds and sustains. If it shows some true commitment towards buying, we can think of entering in longs, but not immediately. It has to take out this high and give some more confirmation for us to enter. Because we do have some liquidity stacked here. This can be just inducing more buyers to enter in longs and then pushing down lower. So we'll see how things builds up, and depending on that, we'll plan the trade. Gold, I am seeing some more move to the downward direction. So I'm not really trading from my setup, so this might look a bit messy. I'm just sitting, no proper lighting, nothing. Uh, but just bear with me for another 3 days, and after that, just like yesterday's live stream, अगर आपने देखा होगा, that would be the setup. This is also not bad. मेन क्या है, डिलीवरी है, तुम्हें समझ आ रहा है. एस्थेटिकली शायद प्लीजिंग ना हो, बट ठीक है. ऑडियो फ्लो बन रहा है ऐसा दिख रहा है, बट विल सी. अरे राम, अच्छा, ट्रेड फ्यूचर्स राइट, हाँ. चौहान चौहान कैसे मैं समझ लूँ भाई कि तुम हो. What is wrong with the Pune weather, man? It's making me lazy, very lazy. It's not nasty lately. It's just like 2 days back. Any tra- any trade taken? No, not yet. You're just waiting for some more conviction. Mostly, there is a chance that we can see longs in gold. We will be waiting for some more conviction, some more order flow build up, and then entering in longs. It's decent. It's decently placed as well. The much discounted area is down, lower down here. Let's just see how it moves. But उतना ज़्यादा convincing नहीं है यहाँ से longs. तो थोड़ा नीचे प्राइजेस आए तो मज़े आए, तो इसलिए गोल्ड में हम यहाँ से प्लान करेंगे कुछ। अब तो मुझे नहीं पता क्या, बट मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली शॉर्ट्स। दाल तड़का बाय वन गेट वन फ्री। बाय वन गेट वन फ्री कौन देता है? क्रेजी। क्या खाऊं मैं? Let's try something healthy. Oh fuck, I'm hungry. भूख लगी है, भूख। आज आफ्टरनून सेशन में चैनल नॉट टचिंग एनक्यू ट्रेडिंग एफएमसी पास। बिल्कुल। सैड वैष्णवी। बट आफ्टरनून सेशन में तो हो ना आप। हाउ यू मिस्ड इट? बट फिर भी यू कैन बी सैड। बिरयानी खा लो। बिरयानी कल ही खाई, तो बिरयानी का मन नहीं है। Oh, you have exam to write. Hmm. You mean today evening or today afternoon? You're done with your exam or you have your exams? All the best for your exams if you have your exams right now. Just kill it. Don't kill your examiner. Butter chicken, exactly. That's my boy. Salad विलाड है. Okay, all the best Vaishnavi. Butter chicken ये करी ना बात. Butter chicken with cheese garlic naan. Chumeshwari combination. Champaran mutton I don't eat, bro. मटन पसंद नहीं है। भाई बट क्वांटिटी इतनी आएगी, आई वोंट बी एबल टू ईट दैट अलोन। देन बेली पे आएगा बटर चिकन। चलेगा भाई। भाई पैसा क्यों कमाते हैं? अच्छा अच्छा खाने के लिए। मतलब मैं तो खा उसी के लिए कमाता, तो वो ना खाऊं तो मतलब क्या? और वैसे ही मैं डाइट तो अभी कर नहीं रहा, सो आई कैन चीट खुले आम। Somewhere I also want to eat dal tadka rice. Craving dal tadka with some fried chicken or tandoori chicken on the side. पिंड पंजाब। भाई मैंने सब करके हो चुका, मेरा मेरा पीटी लगा के हो चुका, मेरा ऐप से करके हो चुका। भाई कंट्रोल, अपना सेल्फ कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में ही है, लेकिन ट्रेडिंग के अलावा मैं और कोई उतना कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाता, तो इसलिए फक अप से सीन हो जाते हैं। Fuck, it's showing 40 minutes. Can't wait for that long. पिंड पंजाब के तंदूरी मोमोज, लवली। Fuck, it's crazy. भाई ये टॉप फैन वाला क्या सीन है? अरे जो लोग कंसिस्टेंटली मैसेज करते हैं वो है, और कुछ नहीं है। दिमाग फास्ट। जो लोगों का दिमाग फास्ट चलता है वो लोगों का माइंड ही इतने कैलोरीज बर्न कर देता है कि बॉडी। हाँ सो रहा है। वो तो भाई, वो तो और बीमार है, खांसते खांसते भाई क्रेजी। सालों तुम लोग के साथ मैं भी बीमार पड़ जाऊंगा। वो चिराग ठीक हुआ? अच्छा। I'll be planning to move to some PG. Oh no no, this is, क्या उसका नाम है? भाई एक बंदा है, हाँ वो फूकता, वो खांस रहा था। हाँ हाँ चिराग दिखाओ, जादू दिखाओ भाई, जादू दिखाओ। ये बैन सो बैन का लौड़ा इधर आया ही नहीं रेंज में, जहाँ से शॉट लेना था, कम वक्त। कोई नहीं, अलर्ट लगा रखा है, आया तो आया, नहीं आया तो चक दे फटे। यहाँ से ये नीचे जा रहा है भाई, अपन शॉट नहीं ले रहे, अपन लॉन्ग लेंगे, जब यहाँ से आएगा तब देखा जाएगा। साले अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया था. क्रेजी. कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए अपन में? 97. हाँ भाई, करवा दो भाई, सेंचुरी करवा दो भाई.
बीमार चल रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा कुछ नहीं. मामा ने वायरल लगा दिया बहन से जब से
साले तारक मेहता. Sure bro, bye bye, take care. From this area, I don't think it looks like it's holding. So there's fair chance कि यहाँ से अगर नीचे dip देता है, from this area we can expect a push up higher. We'll see how things builds up. बेचारे की हालत सही में क्रेजी है. चलो guys, I will keep you updated if I happen to see anything. I'll just calling it a day. I'll be seeing you all tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.